Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are in place: a compatible Samsung device, an active Knox license, and an admin account. Connect the device to the network or USB and open Knox mobile enrollment to claim the device. This step registers hardware ID with your MDM so profiles deploy automatically. Once enrolled, make sure your MDM server details, certificates, and provisioning templates are uploaded. This lets Knox apply policies during first boot, rather than manually configuring each phone. You now configure detailed policies, build device and Knox workspace profiles that include restrictions, VPN, Wi-Fi, required apps, and certificate deployment. Apply SE for Android hardening and enable the Knox container for work data separation. This protects corporate resources while preserving user privacy. Once done, assign profiles to device groups or serial ranges and stage the rollout to a test cohort so you can validate behavior before full deployment. Make sure you finish by validating each device. Confirm enrollment, force a policy sync, and check that managed apps and certificates installed correctly. If provisioning fails, perform a controlled factory reset and re-enroll using KME or a QR provisioning code. This clears transient issues. For persistent failures, collect Knox logs and MDM audit records to identify certificate mismatches, token expiries, or network blocks. One key troubleshooting tip: if devices show provisioning loops, check clock skew and certificate chain. Time and trust errors are common causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.